Hey guys, today I'm going to try cooking a whole chicken on my little Weber Q1200 gas grill. So let's get kicking on this chicken. I have my chicken in a bucket of brine here. What that consists of is 1 gallon of water, 1 cup of kosher salt, and a ½ cup of brown sugar. I just put that in the bucket, mix it all up cold, put the chicken in there, and then I put the whole bucket right in the refrigerator. So like I said, it's been in there overnight, so I don't know, maybe 12 hours or so. Now I'm just going to rinse the excess brine off of it. And I'm going to season the outside with some of this barbecue rub from the J. Christopher Company. What the brine does, it just gets into the meat and it makes it juicier and more flavorful. I haven't cooked a whole chicken on this grill yet, so here's what I'm going to try. This is a 10-inch cast iron skillet I got from Walmart for about $8. And this goes to my pressure cooker, to my Instant Pot. So I'm going to try using that rack. I'm just going to set the chicken right on there. It just fits. And I'm going to put this oven meat thermometer right into the center of the breast here. I have the grill on my upper deck where it's covered because it looks like it might rain, but there's not a lot of room to work up here. So all I have to do is turn it on and hit the igniter. There we go. I think I will turn this to low, and I can always adjust the temperature during the cook if I need to turn it up a little bit. So we'll get the lid down and let it cook. It's been about an hour and a half, so let's check on this. All right, the internal temperature looks like it's about 130 degrees. It actually looks, the chicken looks a little bit darker on that side than this side, so I think I will rotate it. And I'll just keep an eye on it until the internal temperature gets to about 165 degrees Fahrenheit. This has been on there for 2 hours and 15 minutes, and I think it should be getting just about done. Let's see what that says. Internal temperature is about 160 degrees Fahrenheit, so it will usually keep climbing a little bit. I'm just going to shut that off right there and let it cool down a little bit, and then we'll try it out. It's not raining yet, but it's getting pretty cloudy. Look at the color on that chicken. It cooked very evenly for being the first chicken I cooked on that grill. I'm pretty impressed. Look at the wing, just falls right off. That's super tender. Let's see about the leg here. Oh yeah, look at that. Meat's almost just falling off the bone. Looks really, really juicy. See how the breast meat looks here. It looks like a really juicy chicken. Well, that looks pretty good as well. Not bad. All right. Let me try a bite of that baby. That's pretty good for white meat. You can taste the brine in there, so it's pretty moist. I'm more of a dark meat guy, but that's not too bad. Annie's down there wanting her taste test. It's funny, Annie always shows up at the end of the video now and she just sits there and waits. She's getting used to her job, huh, Annie? There you go. That chicken turned out really good. So far, I really like that little grill. It's just perfect for a single guy like me. Well, technically widowed, I guess, but I like to sound as single better. Widowed makes me sound really old. Anyway, thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll talk to you next time.